Let me show you how to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. Now, if you wanted to be able to connect all the contacts on your Android phone to WhatsApp so you can send them messages, calls, etc., I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, on your Android phone, we need to get to your settings. So just open up the Settings app on your Android, and we need to specifically get to the settings for WhatsApp to allow it to access all of your contacts. The easiest way to do that is just to navigate to the WhatsApp settings. And now from here, we'll go into your specific settings for contacts. Instead of don't allow, let's switch this to allow. You can also just go to the contacts section from here, go to WhatsApp and switch it to allow. Now let's head back into the WhatsApp app and you can see sync contacts. I can tap on that and all of my contacts will now be in WhatsApp.